Craftsman snowblower. Has a flat tire. I filled it with air a few times and it leaks. So I'm gonna try to just remove the tire, see if I can get the tube out, and go from there. It says here it's tubeless. Some soapy water. Nothing on that side. Oh. Okay, found our leak. Trying to break this bead. Making some progress. So goal is to drive up on here, not the weight of the car. Push the board down. Whoops. But looks like we're getting there. And I do see a lot of rust. That could be a reason why there's a leak here. So, and probably why this is still a bit tough to break free. I could not find bead sealer, but what I did find was some anti-seize, and I've seen a few other people use this as a bead sealer, so that's what we're going to try. Oh, let's get some shot. Bead pop back in. Do I need the valve stem in here? Let's try the valve. All right, that looks good. I think this side is good. It's this side that now has a problem. right here. They're looking good. If I can fix it, so can you.